Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you after installation of SolidWorks 2026, if you are getting this type of message like invalid inconsistent license key under bracket -8544 or 0. So how you have to solve this one? Simply click on OK. And go to your software folder and in Windows search here task manager. Okay, task manager में search here if there is any SolidWorks file there is running, simply you have to end that task. SolidWorks okay, there is SLDWorks FH. Simply right click on it and select end task and then exit. Then go back to crack folder and copy this folder SolidWorks top. Then go to C drive and then go to program file and simply paste here. Okay, replace the file in the destination, continue. Okay, then again go back to D drive, then again go back to software folder and open the crack folder and there is given solid squad loader enabler. Simply right click on it and select merge. Yes. Okay. Then I'm going to exit this one. So okay, this is the icon of SolidWorks Design 2026. Simply I'm going to open this one. Okay, so there is not even single error I have found during installation. So I'm going to make any part. Simply click on new part design and select the top line and click on sketch. And use the fillet tool here. So now you can see here I can work on SolidWorks 2026. So I'm going to exit this one. Don't save. So these are the simple some basic steps to install the SolidWorks 2026. Thank you for this video.